Hello everybody, how's it going? My name is Mark, I'm from NullTX, aka Null Transaction, and today I will be talking about Bitcoin's price, which is flirting with the devil because we are trading at 66.69. We were just 66.66 a second ago, we're now at 66.69. That 666 level, Bitcoin has been flirting with the devil for the past few months, and today is no different. So, we are still in a boring sideways market, but as I said earlier, beggars can't be choosers. So because we had a 9-10 month long bear trend, the fact that we are in a sideways market is actually very good because it allows people to accumulate coins, and when the breakout does happen, it's gonna be very massive. The other thing is trading volume is still a little bit down, but overall, cryptocurrency market sits at around 221 billion, which is a pretty good level, and most cryptocurrencies are in the green. Maker is actually up 20%. Stay tuned for a price article in a few hours from now. But yeah, most cryptocurrencies are in the green, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, etc. So just going over the news, because it's a sideways market, there isn't much news going on. Bitcoin is up about $100, which in the grander scheme of things isn't that much, but people are happy that we are trading in a sideways market because it's actually the first time in a long time that we're having a very stable price, and that is good for technology and development. So Mati Greenspan from eToro explains, as we've stated many times, a stable price is great for adoption and great for development on the network. So we really are in a positive place for Bitcoin right now. So in other words, the fact that Bitcoin's price is stable is good for developments, technology, and just people in general who are looking to get into the cryptocurrencies. Because if you're seeing this great big volatility, you're going to be a lot more hesitant with putting money into the cryptocurrency, because you might think that it's just a fad, or you can go even lower. Especially if you take one look at the chart, you're like, oh man, no, Bitcoin is just going to go super low. But now the fact that we've had this kind of 2-month-long sideways trend brings a little more positivity to investors. So, and again, today's Monday. Q4 started about a week ago. Cryptocurrency market is above 200 billion, and personally, I think as long as it's above 200 billion, things are going to be looking at least decent. But as soon as we go below the 200 billion market cap for all cryptocurrency, that's when things start to get a little dangerous, and cryptocurrencies really stop dropping like 10-20%. And things just look very bad. So people are now saying that Bitcoin is really going to experience some great highs in mid-2019, because that is when they're predicting that the Van ECK Solid X Bitcoin ETF will garner approval from the SEC. And ETFs and SEC, that has been in the news a few weeks ago, but there hasn't been much news since then. Presently, the proposal is in the final stages of commentary from industry experts, though the term final is used very loosely, and the amount of times that the amount of ETFs that have been that have applied to have an ETF but haven't been approved is just a huge number. And personally, I don't think the SEC is going to approve the Bitcoin ETF anytime soon, but you can only hope for the best. And I think when it does approve it, then things will explode. But I'm not gonna be just looking forward just for that specific thing, because there's still plenty of other cryptocurrencies out there, and Bitcoin still has a lot of potential, regardless if it is or is not going to get accepted as an ETF. So back to the charts. Again, we have been seeing this sideways market, and Bitcoin is flirting with the devil, because we are at this 6666 level. And it's not the first time we've been there. It's been up and down there it's been touching that level for quite some time. So let's look at the 1-month chart. So things are looking like they're going up slightly, but they're not really setting a definitive trend just yet. So I think that there's still plenty of chances for us to go as low as 6,000 and kind of bounce in between this range that it has been bouncing for quite some time. Unfortunately, there's not really much news going on right now. We just have to wait out this sideways market. If you do some trend analysis, you will see that if you draw the two trend lines, they should meet somewhere towards the end of October. There should be a breakout. So I am going to remain hopeful. Today's the 8th. I believe in 2-3 weeks, I really hope that we will see some sort of movement. Even if we do still stay at the sideways market, that's fine with me, but it would be even better if we saw some breakout. I think we still have plenty of chance to reach 10,000 by the end of the year, because when things move up, they move up very quickly. So let's give an example right here. I mean, this is back in February. So February, from the 4th of February, where Bitcoin was 6,800 to the 16th. So that was about a little bit less than 2 weeks. Bitcoin went up way up to 11,000. So I'm pretty much almost doubled in price in 2 weeks. So, and we still have, I guess, a little under 2 months to close the year. So I think anything is still possible, and the fact that we are trading in the sideways market is actually good news, and the fact that we're not hitting new lows is even better. So I know this is kind of a short video. I will keep you guys updated on some more price movements if they come. I hope you guys got some good information. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. My name is Mark. I'm from NullTX, and I'll see you guys next time.